Oh yeah, let's do a little tutorial on how to get to a balance point, guys. For me, especially when I'm starting it like slow, I'd like to do it slow so I can, like, in case I fall or something like that, you just like keep it chill. Some people put their both legs out. I don't like that. It's kind of sketchy because it's so easy to whiskey throttle and just lose the bike completely. Most of the time I just put a leg down or something like that, either right or left, whatever you're more comfortable with. I mean, either way you're gonna have to get used to ripping both legs, you know. I tried to switch legs, I couldn't do it. But hear those brakes? Those brakes suck. See, that's what you don't want. You don't be going too fast. You just want to keep the cruise to a minimum. And then you come up. Oh, back brake. Oh, I lost it. I couldn't turn and this guy's coming up. But you guys are seeing it there. So, and I'll run it back in slow motion if you guys want to see it a little bit clear. So it's just hold the brake in a little bit because you don't want to get yeeted out. So put your left or right foot down. Oh, the right one's a little sketchy to me still. Here we go. 12 o'clock. You just let the bike come all the way up, guys. All the way up. I'm like, look, dude, I'm going 0. Oh. I looked away for 1 second. Here I am looking, I'm like falling down. All the other stuff. Yo, this thing is strong enough to power wheelie. I highly advise not to do that. It's power wheeling. You know, you just get too comfortable with it, and then you think you get nice, and then you see people that actually can wheelie, and then you see that they're telling you gotta get more control. You just run into some problems. So you just want to like have your control from the rip, guys. I can't hold it, guys. Oh, another dog. What's up, gang? Yeah, I did turn the wheel a lot of it because I was losing it. I was trying to keep it in there for the longest. I did though. Like I held it, but that's like the next part of the video, like body shifting. You guys gotta move with the bike, or even like move your seat like a little bit. Standing up is sketch on this thing, dude. Like I could do it sometimes. That was a bad one. Yeah, I'm no Surron, guys. I've only had this thing since like November. I just upgraded it like 2 weeks ago. Good drag. Back up. Stop sign again.